Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so the Malaysian food tour still continues. I'm at my aunt's house. She can cook like a beast. Got some Chinese veggies stir fry with garlic. Alright, so this is a dry stir fry with onions, some dried anchovies, and peanuts. Never had it before, but it looks good. And then this is stir fried pork in a delectable brown sauce. So let's dig in and try it out. So at my aunt's house, here's some stir fried pork in the brown sauce. Definitely on the dry side, but the sauce is really good though. Alright, let's try this. This is the stir fry with the peanuts, dried anchovies, and onions. Onion mix is sweet. Dry anchovies and peanuts add a crunch to the dish. Has a nice kick to it too. The end result. It's wrapped in these leaves, and then we soaked it. We basically boiled it in water. And that's what it looks like. Delicious. Alright, this is sticky rice wrapped in a bamboo leaf. Alright, so this is sticky rice. There's some pork, mushrooms, chestnut in there.
Thank you.
Homemade by my auntie. In Chinese we call it 粽子. Yeah, so you cook this by stir frying the rice and then adding the ingredients, and pack it into a leaf, and you wrap the contents in the leaf, and then you steam it. I'll show it. Very good. Rice is soft, nice and sticky. Meat is tender. The chestnut just kind of melts in your mouth. Very good. I'm telling you, man. My aunt's on my mom's side of the family. They can cook. Alright guys, so today is another day in Malaysia. I am still in Klang at my auntie's house, and she again is an awesome cook. And in store today for dinner we have curry, chicken curry. It's yellow curry, good Malaysian style curry. Some bean sprouts and some kind of green veggies stir fried together. And then the famous mapo tofu. Alright, so this is my plate right here. And let's try the veggies. It's well seasoned. Nice crunch. Perfectly cooked. The curry. yeah. Malaysian curry is awesome. Delicious mapo tofu. So, try the curry sauce. That's it. My aunt can cook. She can really cook. I'm gonna enjoy this meal. Stay tuned for more food videos and food pics. I'm just gonna go enjoy this food. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.